Hello YouTubers, today's project is about my Red Arrows covered van made by Hornby, and what I'm going to do today is try to replace the coupling connector which has a broken off coupling hook. You might see that this connector should have a coupling hook here next to the rivet. If you look at the other side, you can see how the hook is attached to the back and it's hinged. What I think has happened is that this has been dropped at some time because there's evidence of the axles being glued. I'm going to have to remove the rivet in order to remove the whole assembly. My first reaction was to drill out the rivet from here, but then I thought I'd try and drill it out from the top, because then I'd have a stub of a rivet that I could refix back in. So here it goes then. I'm going to use a 4mm drill with my slow speed power drill, and I'm going to try and drill out the top ring which should free the rivet. So try first of all gently, not much happening there. Try again. I want to take a lot of care. I can see some of the brass coming out, and one more go, and that's it away. I should now be able to gently prise the coupling from the chassis. There we go, the assembly starts to lift out. There's probably a little burr causing the rivet to stick, so gently does it, and here we have the offending coupler. No damage there, the other coupler will fit in its place. Fit the rivet into the coupler, see if it will slide into the retaining hole. I might need to file the end of the rivet slightly, so I'll do that and I'll get back to you. So here we are, ready to fix the new coupler. Notice the rather poor edit there. Let's see if the rivet fits nicely into the retaining hole. Yes, it does. Attach the coupler. Right way around, and that slides in pretty well. So all I have to do now is secure the rivet. I decided to fix the coupler with some super glue, so remove the assembly again. Apply some glue to the inside of the containing hole, not too much. And we'll attach the coupler, put the rivet in, gently fix it like so. The part number of this particular coupler assembly is an X8031. There we go, some gentle pressure. Line up the coupler. Hold it for a few seconds to let the glue set. Quite an easy job really. And hopefully, there we go. a repaired coupler. And there we have it. So let's see how it runs. Fine here. Let's attach it to another wagon. I've got here a 20-ton brake van. Looks good there. Turn it round. And good on both sides. So there we have it. A newly repaired Red Arrows covered van with a replacement X8031 coupler. Thanks for watching. See you later on YouTube.